Friends, welcome to HR Resonance channel. Ram Navratna here. Today I am going to take you to the important points on leadership and management pertaining to what best leaders should never do in a crisis. In a business or in any life, crisis is one of the part which may come accidentally or it may come once in a while. Normally, we all know what a leader is expected to do in a crisis. And in such crisis, what are those behaviors which a leader should clearly guide and direct to a crisis? So that is what important. It is said the true test of a leadership is how well you function in a crisis. It is a statement by Brian Tracy. So this is one of the important anecdote. So that is how everybody will look at leader, that how he is going to handle and how he is going to dispose of the things. Many times crisis may happen anytime. And to steer the crisis, even the leadership has to many times reinvent itself. We cannot say all the time leadership is well equipped. From being empathetic to communicating clearly to putting the greater good ahead of all other concerns, leaders have a responsibility in keeping calm and try to maintain business as usual and as much as possible while managing employee experience in a such testing time. So we all know what a leader is expected to do in a crisis in simple terms. And it is said a good leader is the one who ensures the protection, assistance and support to his employees as much as possible. So normally in a crisis, a leader is expected to regularly communicate with employees. That is one of the significant factor. Empathize with them, ensure their safety, develop strategies to support them, motivate them, establish clear guidelines, and ensure fair workplace practices which are still followed, and also reward and recognize the employees, and also be honest to the adaptable. But what are those behaviors which a leader should clearly lead in a crisis time? Let us see one by one. The first factor, don't pretend like you have all the solutions. Leader should always keep in mind a leader cannot have all the solutions, crisis or no crisis. He must always understand. In a routine situation or in a top-down approach might work. But in a crisis like this, where there is so much uncertainty and things are changing constantly, it is very important for leadership to be distributed. So have a clear direction, but also empower his teams on the ground to act. That is what very, very important for the leader. He should empower his team and build the team. What happens? Normally the leader will have the temptation in a time of crisis to put themselves at the center of all activities. But don't do this. Have the humility to avoid falling into that trap. Don't micromanage. Instead, leverage all the support you can. Be clear about what needs to be escalated and ensure that you can mobilize resources quickly to support your team members. This is what one has to keep in mind. The second behavioral factors one can see is avoid conflicts in a crisis. Crisis situation can be tough and pressurizing. A good and great leader will first and foremost think of the team. The key is to keep priorities intact and then act on it. And leader should always keep in mind, and it is a paramount importance, he needs to avoid conflicts at all costs and promote coordination and a team spirit amongst the teams. So nurturing team spirit is very important, and that will go in the long run. A crisis is not the time to indulge in conflict, but to encourage company values to enable teams to work together and tide through the crisis. So, leaders should have a clear communication approach. Vague and unclear communication only leads to confusion and panic, which should be avoided at all times. A leader should be always aware and conscious about this factor. The third point, the behavioral aspect, is do not let emotions get in the way. So, which is one of the important aspects. A leader at any cost cannot lose his calm even if he feels overwhelmed. So, he should be always calm and quiet. Calmness goes and shows lot of many ways. Employees look to their leaders and they portray resentment. Employees will lose confidence in them. Therefore, it is important for a leader to demonstrate confidence, and he has to keep his workforce all the time motivated and motivate. It is all about having the right mindset. There is no set rule that will help a leader during adversity but their experience. During a setback, a useful perspective would be the one that does not focus on negative outcomes alone, but consider data, facts, actual causes, and channelize those to conduct the management process by involving people and showing the way. And unequivocal viewpoint of a leader display a reasoning and a sense of judgment to see things clearly as they are not what they appears to be. Guiding with a sense of calm is a mark of confidence, and also provide strong support in continuing business function amidst challenging scenario. So another behavioral factor is be real and transparent and avoid being sugar coated. Leaders play a pivotal role in crisis management, and it is quite essential for them to abide by certain do's and don'ts during the crisis. They should be always conscious about this: what are do's and what are my don'ts. One thing that a good leader should avoid in times of crisis is being sugar coated, because he should be fact based and he should be hard also to get the things done and to overcome the problem. Leaders should be real and transparent in their communications to safeguard the trust of their employees in them. Leaders should be open about the evolving nature of the problem and avoid any miscommunication in this regard. So therefore, communication play a very important role. There should be no sense of fear amongst them, no matter how difficult the situation gets. The next point one should keep in mind is steer clear of short-term gains and quick fixes. A crisis is definitely not the time to look short-term gains. The company may be under intense pressure, but leader should never make a decision contrary to what he has been living through while managing the crisis in order to make a short-term gains. Thus, a leader needs to avoid quick fixes of any kind in a crisis. In order to not jeopardize the trust he was generating all through, in addition to the above, other qualities like adaptability, self-control, relationship management, and creativity of a leader will enhance the confidence level of the employees. He should be optimistic approach. Lastly, the leader is always at the center of everything. He can never demonstrate a loss of hope, but display and exhibit positive and high degree of optimism and manage and overcome crisis. To summarize, a leader has to avoid so far narrated behavior factors in managing the crisis, in addition to his other qualities based on his experience and situation also. And ultimately, a leader is one which we say the lasting impression. A leader is one whose work and disposition is effective. he is an achiever, leader is a driver, and because of all these qualities and characteristics, everybody looks at him, follow and expect the ease of crisis by his initiatives. Friends, so these are and many other such qualities that a great leader should always keep in mind and conscious, and thereby he becomes successful and he can ease the crisis situation. Friends, we regularly conduct a public program by name Managing Crisis and Accidents in Bangalore. So far we conducted in 5 years 3 such programs wherein we take about all crisis management involving Department of Factories, police, fire department and other professional managers. Thereby we educate and provide awareness on how to manage these crises strategically, managerially and also the legally, and how to be successful and avoid the crisis and manage the crisis. Anybody is interested in such of our programs, anyway at the last page our address and website is there. You can write to us the mail so that we may be helpful to you. Friends, if you like all the contents of this presentation, I request all of you to subscribe to the our channel and look forward for your feedback. Thank you very much. All the best.